Hello, I'm Kelly Hopper, Supervisor of the Permitting and Licensing Division at the City of Broken Arrow. Fireworks are legal in the city on July 3rd and 4th if you have a permit. Permits are now available for $22 at the Permitting and Licensing Office at 220 South 1st Street or online at brokenarrow.gov/fireworks. The permit is only valid from 3 to 11 p.m. on July 3rd and 4th. It is unlawful to discharge fireworks within the city limits without a permit. For questions regarding the application, call the Permitting and Licensing Division at 918-259-2411, option 0. I hope you, your friends, and family have a wonderful Independence Day celebration and stay safe.